트렁크에서 아침을 시작하는 여자 에마. 옷을 갈아입으며 오늘의 일을 준비합니다.
Hungry? Yeah, me too.
그렇게 한 남자가 걸려들었고
My boyfriend and I broke up, and then I started crying.
There's no need to cry there, princess. Carry it away.
에마는 처음 보는 한 남성의 차를 타고 이동합니다. 그런데 이동한 지 얼마 지나지 않아
Why are we slowing down?
You know you want this.
Yeah, that's gonna be enough.
순식간에 사라져버린 에마. 사실 그녀의 정체는 뱀파이어였고 그녀는 히치하이킹으로 사람을 낚아 피를 먹고 있었습니다.
Looking for the hospital?
Room, please. 2 nights.
Room 6.
Hey, Bubbles.
그런데 그녀에게도 무언가 사정이 있어 보입니다.
I'll be back for the fish.
다음날 또다시 히치하이킹 중인 에마.
Good instincts.
또다시 한 명이 걸려드는데요.
Yeah, do you mind?
No, love the company. Well, I'm Frank.
Jasmine.
But why out here all alone?
My boyfriend and I had a fight.
순조로울 줄 알았으나 프랭크는 그녀의 유혹에도 끄떡없었고
Thanks.
We do industrial valves.
You know, if you're tired, we can go to a motel or something.
No, I'm good.
심지어 그는 애처가였습니다.
Oh, excuse me. Just hi, sweetie. Just made a new friend. You know what, Jocelyn? There's just nothing like your own blood. Hi, pumpkin. Can't wait to see you again.
결국 에마는 그대로 프랭크를 놓아주는데 그 이유는 그녀가 악당들의 피만을 먹겠다는 원칙이 있기 때문이었죠. 이어 또다시 다음 사람을 잡는 것에 성공하는데
Hi, sorry. Do you mind if I get a ride? It's a nice car. I'm Pepper. What's your name?
Emma, we need to talk.
Not today.
Emma, come back here.
에마를 찾아온 것은 그녀의 여동생 스칼렛이었죠.
Did you just push me? Looks like someone's been brushing up on their Wing Chun. Shot you if it wasn't important. Kate's alive.
Pardonnez-moi de vous déranger, monsieur. The youngest of the Addison sisters is still alive.
Tell him to find her and to bring her to me, alive.
죽은 줄 알았던 막내 동생이 살아있단 걸 듣게 된 에마.
So you don't have anything to say? I begged you to stay with me.
And I begged you to come with
You
me.
trekking across the desert dressing like a $5 hooker.
At least I kill with a con.
I didn't mean to kill him.
Coffee?
이들은 과거 인간이었지만 손이라는 흡혈귀에게 입양되었고
We knew exactly what Thorn was grooming us for.
We're all family here.
Where would we go?
Anywhere but here. You know we can fend for ourselves. You have to make up your mind. It's either Thorn or me.
I just can't, Emma. I'm sorry.
손이 싫었던 에마는 혼자 밖으로 나와 생활하게 된 것이었죠.
How did you find out about Kate?
Fucking Tatiana.
Find her, bring her here, alive.
과거 에마의 가족에게 가면을 쓴 흡혈귀들이 찾아왔고
So hurry up, get in there. I love you, Kate.
I love you, Mom.
눈앞에서 부모를 잃고 말았습니다.
Welcome. You are safe.
We were never safe.
에마 자매는 힘을 합쳐 케이트를 찾기로 했고
I just have a rough idea, but I think that she's hiding out with our parents' friend.
Hey, little one. I'm a friend of your parents. Let's go.
It's a good place to start.
But we have to find her before whoever Tatiana sent gets to her first.
Get those bloodsuckers that did this to us.
Oh, cheers to that. Have you been getting by?
You mean feeding? No, just have a steady diet of rapists, and then you have like possums and raccoons and stuff.
Do you remember anything from that day? I can't remember anything, but even my memories of Mom and Dad, they're all fading, and that terrifies me.
며칠 후 어느 술집에서 에마는 한 남자를 만나게 됩니다.
Whiskey, please. Cheap stuff.
Hello, pretty girl. Yes.
Okay, how about fuck off?
Well, I'm sorry.
She asked you to leave her alone.
Why don't you mind your own business?
You're gonna be calling me mommy soon, too, if you're not careful. apologize on behalf of the entire human race, but
I'm Emma.
Marcus, nice to meet you.
So obviously you've trained. What are you, special ops?
Not just serving our country.
마커스와 에마는 뜨거운 감정에 휩싸이고
I don't normally say this, but that was great.
마커스는 거울에 비추지 않는 그녀를 발견하게 되죠.
You have no reflection. You a vampire.
에마는 마커스에게 정체를 들키고 말았는데
So I thought maybe you guys could use a little help.
오히려 마커스는 에마를 도와주기로 합니다. 한편 케이트는 살아있었고 한 실험을 진행 중이었는데
Just like magic.
Your parents would be proud, little one.
바로 뱀파이어를 인간으로 되돌리는 백신의 실험이었죠.
But if you turn me into a vampire, just kill me.
No, I'm not killing you. Even if I do turn you into a vampire. Oh my God.
I'm kidding. I'm all right.
Get out my lab.
그 시각 에마 일행은 케이트가 있는 곳을 알아냈고
Who is it?
Vampires.
Hey, if you can hear us, we're looking for our sister, Kate.
Come on, let's go.
Oh, just hold your horses.
Scarlet? Emma?
자매들은 오랜만에 재회할 수가 있었습니다.
We thought you were dead.
I thought you both were dead.
에마와 스칼렛은 자신들이 뱀파이어가 된 것을 설명했고
That day, you returned?
A vampire named Thorn took us in.
I'd like to get samples of your blood if that's okay.
Sure.
You and your sisters have a very rare blood. Your blood is gonna save the lives of many, many
Well, that's a good storyteller. I'll let him tell you.
에마와 스칼렛은 이곳에서 그동안 몰랐던 이야기들을 듣게 되죠. 과거 정부는 뱀파이어 전염병을 막기 위한 프로젝트를 진행 중이었고
The program is called Project V.
All three of us have V-type blood from a rare DNA.
이들은 원래 친자매가 아니었고 프로젝트로 인해 만들어진 부모에게 길러진 것이었습니다.
I didn't know my parents. They found me in an orphanage with no record. It was all on this USB stick. All yours. Also on there was their life's work.
그 USB에는 뱀파이어 치료제를 거의 만들 수 있는 정보가 있었고 케이트가 그 연구를 이어 진행 중이었던 것이었죠.
It's the vaccine.
Oh, hey. So our little sister is a genius.
케이트는 에마와 스칼렛의 피로 뱀파이어를 죽이는 방법도 알아냈고 지금은 언니들을 원래대로 되돌릴 방법을 찾는 중이었습니다.
It's Kate. I'm fascinated. I'd be honored if you could show me some of your research.
What is it?
Do you think it could work with Marcus and me? He's cute and badass kind of way.
I think we both just need to acknowledge that neither one of us is ever gonna. I don't think I know how to be normal again.
Can't lose hope.
All these bottles are the vaccine.
Yeah. Prevent humans from being turned into vampires ever.
The cell's supposed to be fusing like that?
순간 본색을 드러내는 마커스.
Oh, what the hell?
Oh my God, he's got her.
I know exactly where he's taking her. Thorns.
불스아이는 에마의 부모를 죽인 것이 손이라는 사실을 알려주는데
The Addison have created a vaccine to kill vampires.
그 이유는 바로 백신의 개발을 막기 위함이었죠.
Thorn's mine.
You're gonna need some help.
I'm liking this guy more and more.
Thank you, Marcus.
How could you?
He's a trained mercenary, my dear.
What do you want, Thorn? The vaccine will get out no matter what happens to me.
I've organized a little soiree, and I would love you to be my guest.
And silver bullets. This, by far, is the holy grail of them all. You guard this with your life. Just one more thing. On the toe of these boots is a blade, solid silver.
Oh, sick.
Let's go and kill some vampires.
This is our guest of honor, Kate. Kate here is a brilliant young scientist. We are actually the historians of humanity.
You're the epitome of evil. Mankind would do just fine without your kind.
Wrong! We are an important part of its harmony. And humans always think that they are so righteous. They are not.
So this is the vaccine that stops humans from being turned?
Why wouldn't a human want to be a vampire?
You're not living or dead, you're just stuck in purgatory.
I feel very much alive.
You take the basement, I'll take the front entrance.
No matter what, we get Kate out. What a cute couple.
I'll get her sister. You take this one.
I'm sorry, Emma.
순간 에마는 자신의 부모를 죽인 뱀파이어가 마커스였음을 깨달았고 스칼렛 쪽도 싸움이 시작되었죠.
love this Jesus wood. It's time to let you get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, Millie's boot. I'm gonna put the syringe into.
Kate, Emma,
Let's go kill some fucking vampires.
Thorn, we would like to make a peace offer.
Please accept my blood as a gift to you all.
To Thorn.
To Thorn. So apparently, you're the reason my parents.
You've been watching too many movies, my dear.
그렇게 부모의 복수를 완료한 세 자매.
Shotgun, shotgun! I said first.
No!
So who are we gonna kill next?
이렇게 영화는 마무리됩니다. 큰 규모의 발레 공연이 진행 중이었고 그 시각 공원에서는 은밀한 접촉이 있었습니다. 직접 어그로를 끌며 접촉한 남자가 도망칠 수 있게 만드는데 그 시각 공연에서는 여자가 큰 부상을 입고 말았죠.
As far as we know, we got away clean.
직접 어그로를 끌던 남자 이름은 네이트, CIA 요원이었는데
I was protecting my asset. Those guys in the park, word is they were vice cops. They weren't there for Marble. They just got lucky. You can bet your ass they're looking for him now.
그의 행동에 오히려 정보원 마블이 노출되고 말았죠.
They are expecting you, Deputy Director.
Terrible news about your niece.
이곳은 러시아 정보국이었고 반야부국장이 호출되었는데
There was an incident last night at Gorky Park.
바로 어젯밤 공원에서 일어난 사건 때문이었죠.
Now we know his name is Nate Nash.
The man he was meeting, he simply walks away. Who is he?
한편 발레 공연 중 다리에 큰 부상을 입은 여자의 이름은 도미니카. 바냐는 도미니카의 삼촌이었고
They already have replacement for you at the company.
Have you come to commiserate, Uncle?
No, I've come to help.
도미니카는 발레단에서 마련해준 집에서 살고 있었는데 더 이상 발레를 할 수 없는 그녀는 언제 쫓겨나도 이상하지 않은 상황이었죠.
And I want to help you. So come see me when you're ready, please. There are no accidents. We create our own fate.
바냐는 도미니카에게 녹음기 하나를 건네줬는데
I went to see her at the hospital. The way she looked at me, she knows.
알고 보니 자신의 부상이 자리를 빼앗기 위해 계획된 사건임을 알게 됩니다.
Good. I think it's enough for tonight.
도미니카는 참지 않고 음모자들에게 향했고
Locker room, please hurry.
집으로 돌아왔는데
Mama? What? What happened?
I said they wouldn't fail anymore.
결국 그녀는 바냐를 찾아옵니다.
You broke her jaw.
So what do you want me to do?
러시아 정보국에서는 유스티노프라는 한 남자를 조사 중이었고
I want you to get to know him and get close to him and win his trust. It's one night, that's all I ask. Do this for your mother. Car will arrive at your apartment to bring you to the hotel. Make yourself presentable. You will stand out from the sort of women who tend to go there. I will make sure you are safe.
Glass of champagne, please.
계획대로 그가 접근해왔고
And let me keep you company while you wait. Tell me the real reason you are here.
I came to see you.
And what is it you want from me?
I want to be special again.
It's a beautiful room.
Can we be alone?
Take off your dress. Take off your dress. Come here. A crack in the eyes.
그렇게 이 남자가 혼자 뜨거워지려는 그 순간 러시아 정보부에서 사람이 나타나 타겟을 제거해버립니다. 도미니카에게는 매우 충격적인 경험이었고
Did it happen?
Ustinov dismissed his security. She asked him to.
She's a witness. Get rid of her.
I trust her discretion.
Who is she?
My niece.
You knew.
What would happen once I got him in that room?
You came to me, that was your choice.
He was inside me.
There's another life for you if you want it. You have potential, great potential. There is a program that can teach you everything you need to know. Perhaps you don't like my line of work. Perhaps you disagree. Be out of my hands.
결국 선택지가 없던 그녀는 훈련 과정을 받기로 하죠.
Welcome to State School 4.
You'll have to work hard to catch up.
I will do it as asked of me.
The Cold War did not end. The West has grown weak, is willing to make the sacrifices required for victory. From this day forward, you will become sparrows. You have been selected because of your beauty, because of your strength. Katya, Victor, come here, please. Here we deal in psychological manipulation. Take off your clothes. Your body belongs to the state. You must learn to sacrifice for a higher purpose. In my experience, the proud are the first to fall.
도미니카는 이곳에서 거댄 훈련을 받으며 어느 정도 적응해갔고
3 days ago, Nash was reassigned to Budapest.
러시아 정보국은 네이트가 다시 마블과 접선한다는 정보를 얻게 되죠.
Nash is a skilled officer. That night in the park, he cares about the man. I propose we give him someone else to kill.
바냐는 네이트에게 도미니카를 붙일 생각이었고
Of assaulting a fellow cadet.
He tried to rape me.
It's only been 3 months, but I believe Katya still has potential.
러시아 정보국의 또 다른 요원인 코르치노이가 그녀를 직접 만나러 왔죠.
What sent his niece to State School 4?
A patriot.
You may go.
For the deception to be complete, you must hold nothing back. Give him what he wants.
감정을 버리기 위한 훈련으로 학교에서는 도미니카를 덮치려 했던 동기생에게 복종하라 요구하는데
Don't look at her. I want to watch you do it. Look at me.
더욱 과감한 행동으로 그의 자존심을 꺾어버리죠. 이번 일을 보고 코르치노이가 그녀를 데려가기로 했고
Car waiting to take you to Moscow. Goodbye, Dominika.
Welcome home. There is a traitor highly placed in the government. A mole. What I want from you is to get close and establish trust.
반냐는 그녀에게 정부국에 있는 첩자를 알아내라는 미션을 줍니다.
I understand you are angry with me.
You sent me to horse.
It's what you were meant to do.
얼마 후 임무를 위해 부다페스트로 향한 도미니카.
Welcome to Budapest.
그녀는 스페로들이 머물 수 있는 집으로 향했습니다.
You must be Katarina.
Hello.
I'm in there, and you're through here. I imagine tomorrow you'll meet our station chief. And he likes to try it on with a new girl. He's going to like you.
이곳의 지부장인 블론포트를 만나 네이트에 대한 정보를 얻었고
Informed of your progress.
Of course.
그녀는 네이트와의 접촉을 위해 그가 다니는 수영장으로 향합니다.
The pool is open from 6 in the morning, from 6 to 8 on weekends.
Made a mistake. Sorry.
잠시 고민하더니 수영장 등록을 본명으로 했고 이곳에서 네이트의 시선을 끌기 시작합니다.
How did you know I was Russian?
It's just a guess.
계획대로 네이트가 먼저 말을 걸어왔고
Would you like to get something to eat with me?
I'm not hungry. Perhaps another time.
See you at the pool, I guess.
다음날 다시 수영장을 방문하는데 네이트는 보이지 않았고
Your ID is missing. Sorry, I'll have to make you a new one.
Under the name Katerina Zhukova.
네이트 또한 이상함을 눈치채고 도미니카를 조사했습니다.
That's bullshit. She's here for marble. She's Ivan Igorov's niece.
네이트는 도미니카를 이용해 역으로 정보를 캐야겠다 생각했고
If she does let you fuck her, she's definitely
I
SVR.
need you to get me on the list for an event at the American Embassy. I've established contact.
There are always stories about sparrows and magic pussy. That's what they say. Just a bit of fun. If you need help, don't hesitate to ask.
To the American ambassador for television.
Dominika Gorova.
You stole my ID from the pool.
So I'm curious. Did you want me to know you, or are you just real clumsy?
I'm sure if you know my name, you found out other things about me.
Your uncle is a very powerful man. Hey, I'd like to see you again.
Why are we going to become friends?
Have dinner with me there.
네이트와 헤어지고 숙소로 돌아왔는데
Malta?
동료 스페로인 마르타가 보이지 않자 그녀의 방을 뒤져봅니다. 마르타가 진행 중인 임무를 보게 되고 순간 그녀의 머릿속에 하나의 생각이 스쳐갑니다.
What's this?
Copy of a report Volantov sent to Moscow 3 days ago.
지부장 블론토프가 전부터 방해가 되자 도미니카는 그를 잠시 묶어두려 했고 술집에 있는 그를 직접 찾아갑니다.
You were right. I do need a friend. I'm impressed with the progress I've made with Nash.
How do I know you pay your debts?
You were right about sparrows. We are special.
Someone not to laugh at your microscopic. Tomorrow you will write a favorable report or I'll have you arrested. Good night.
그를 폭행죄로 만들어버립니다. 그리고 네이트에게 전화를 하는데
Come on up.
Can I have a drink? Thank you.
So do you want to tell me what happened?
Why did you leave Russia?
I screwed up at work. What do you want, Dominic? I think you should probably go home and figure it out.
도미니카의 유혹을 거절하는 네이트. 다음날 그녀는 네이트가 없을 때 다시 그의 집으로 향했고 그의 집을 몰래 뒤지기 시작하는데요. 집에 돌아오니 반야가 그녀를 기다리고 있었고
I didn't know you were coming. What's the occasion?
You have any news about our American friend?
He's begun to lower his guard.
So how was he?
Unmemorable.
Is there anything out of the ordinary?
Something new. A case with great potential. An agent inside the American government is always a value. She's compromised. She has no choice.
What did you have in mind?
$250,000.
큰 건을 물고 온 도미니카를 보며 흡족해하죠. 하지만 이는 마르타가 공을 들여 진행 중인 건이었고
I've waited a lifetime for something like this. It's not yours to trade.
I will make sure you get the credit. I saw something I was not supposed to. I was there the night they killed Demetrius. They're telling you that they would cut my throat.
이어 역으로 향하는 도미니카.
Am I too late?
You can come back in the morning. We open at 9.
I wanted to open an account for a family member in case anything happens to me. Fill them out together.
미인계를 활용해 성공했고
Marta? Marta!
마르타는 싸늘한 주검이 되어 있었고
That's what it smells like. When you butcher an animal, you would see what happens. This is your only warning.
한편 네이트는 도미니카의 정체가 스페로임을 알아냈고
She is a fucking sparrow. Can't trust a fucking word that comes out of her mouth.
이어 그녀를 찾아갑니다.
Trying to seduce and manipulate. Call them sparrows. Is why a man would put his niece through something like that.
I was told to take a man to a hotel. Instead, they cut his throat. He died on top of me. Die. Or become a sparrow. I think you're running an agent.
Men that you work for, men like your uncle, they'll never let you go. Exist unless they say so. So, Dominic, work with me. Make them fucking pay.
Be your spy.
Yeah, because I would never ask you to do it. Why don't you take my room? If you do this, I'll do everything in my power to protect.
그의 말에 도미니카는 잠을 이루지 못했고
Can I trust you?
I promise you can.
그와 뜨거운 시간을 가지며 도미니카는 긍정의 대답을 합니다.
I'm really very glad that you're here. Go back to your normal routine. Go into work, write a report, say that I'm a fool and you've got me on the hook. That I need you to go home and just wait for my signal.
I'm just gonna ask you some routine questions to begin. Are you an officer of the Russian intelligence service?
Yes.
Are you willing to work for the American government?
Yes. I know the nature of the men I work for.
Did you engage in sexual intercourse with him?
Hey, that's...
We'd need to know if you were emotionally involved.
The answer is no. If I am to work for you, I will need money transferred to a bank account in...
도미니카는 이들에게 수완에 대해 말했고
Chief of Staff run by the SVR.
Shall I provide you with the account information?
Oh, here she is.
To the left.
모든 준비를 마치고 타겟을 기다립니다.
What are you doing here?
Well, you might need some help after what happened.
Go upstairs. Room 624.
갑자기 나타난 블론토프를 쫓아냈고
Who the hell is that?
He's got a key. That's her boss.
잠시 후 진짜 타겟이 나타납니다.
We have a friend in common. Marta wasn't able to make it, so she sent me. $250,000 was a figure that you agreed upon. Don't you think you would be more comfortable in the private room?
Let's get this show on the road.
Do you have anything to sell?
I have the first set of discs with me.
Where's my money?
$250,000 per delivery.
Yep.
I just need to authenticate them.
Everything all right?
I just have to wait for them to load.
미리 준비한 디스크와 바꿔치기 했고
Why does it take so long?
Just one more minute. It's finished. Everything seems to be in order.
Did she get him?
She did.
We'll be in touch for the next delivery.
그렇게 도미니카는 이곳을 먼저 떠났는데
There you go.
We'll get the disc, take him back to the field office.
자신이 감시당하고 있다고 눈치챈 수안 도망치다 그만 트럭에 치이고 말았습니다.
Yeah? Change your plans. We go directly to Heathrow. The discs and your passport.
그런데 블론토프는 사실 반야가 보낸 것이었고 오히려 도미니카가 위기에 처하게 되죠.
Boucher is dead. Our guys outside went after the money to her. If they think she tipped us off, they're gonna kill her.
Fuck, Trish, we fucked her real. Fucked her!
You look nervous.
We're entering Terminal 2. Looked like Aeroflot.
네이트의 도움을 거절하고 비행기에 탑승하는 도미니카.
I always had my doubts about it. Give me the discs.
Did you give Miss Boucher to the Americans?
No.
You can start.
이어 그녀에게 고문이 가해지고 엄청난 고통 속에서도 그녀는 한마디도 하지 않았습니다.
Did you give Boucher to the Americans?
No.
Are you working for the Americans?
I love my country.
Last time, did you give Boucher to the Americans?
No.
그리고 이제서야 바냐가 모습을 드러내는데요.
Please, make it stop.
I can only protect you if you tell me the truth.
If they have my real name, if they have Swan, if you torture me, they'll trust me. Send me back. Let me finish what we started. And they...
바냐는 도미니카를 믿고 그녀를 풀어주었고
is furious about the loss of Boucher.
The Americans will trust her.
So you say.
She has made a fool of you, Ivan. Have Matorin shadowed.
If she's compromised, I promise she will be eliminated. Enjoy your night.
Did they grant my request?
Yes, they did.
You're right. I am like you, uncle.
자유가 된 도미니카는 네이트를 만날 수 있었고
Oh, God.
Because I told them that you would trust me now.
So what next, then?
I want to go to America.
It'll take some time, but we can't get around. How much do you want?
I need 250,000 for resettlement.
도미니카는 조건 없이 자신을 도와준 그에게 고마움을 느꼈고 잠시 후 잠에서 일어나는데
Nate?
전에 찾아온 암살자가 네이트를 붙잡아 두고 있었죠.
Do you know what this is? They use it for skin grafting. And I take my time with it. Until I see the white.
What's the name, Nate? What's the name?
So we go deeper.
도미니카는 그에게 협조하는 척하다가
Give it to me. Let me try.
방심한 틈에 공격해 쓰러뜨립니다. 얼마 후 누군가 그녀를 찾아오는데
It was you who killed Matorin, wasn't it? I know you gave the Americans proof. 3 days after Stalin was laid in state. As a party member, we were privileged to realize I had been born in a prison. Do to others before they do to me. To survive by any means. So now you know. I am the mole. After you turn me in, you will be a hero, beyond suspicion, and continue my work with the Americans. You have the power to decide whether or not I die in vain.
Sent Matoran, didn't you? So I wouldn't have a choice.
You never did.
Stop.
I want to speak with the Russian ambassador. Call Zakharov. I have the name of the mole. You will call Zakharov. You will tell him to make a trade. Me for the mole.
They will escort you part of the way. Anything goes wrong, we abort. All right, Nate, it's time.
Your uncle will be very proud. Are you gonna tell me how you found out his name? I guess that was plague all along. You realize you might have just got him killed. Some things can't be sacrificed. We don't throw people away.
그런데 네이트의 예상과 달리 첩자의 정체가 바냐였고
Find the identity of your... That's our man!
과연 이게 어떻게 된 일일까요? 지금으로부터 며칠 전
She called from Budapest, gave us the name of the mole, searched the mole's office, his apartment. This is a statement. Recently made payments of 200. Name with your passport number. Recently made a trip to Vienna. Did you know she gave us discs you passed on to the president? The encryption signature suggests it was written.
You're special. You have a gift like me.
Great family I have.
도미니카는 그동안 바냐를 첩자로 만들기 위한 행동들을 해왔었고
You killed me.
Didn't I do well, uncle?
Target is in range.
Hello?
이렇게 영화는 끝이 납니다. 10년째 비가 한 방울도 오지 않아 황량한 사막이 되어버린 오리건주. 물이 없는 이 세상에서는 사람도 서로 믿을 수 없게 되었고, 이곳에서 오늘도 치열한 생존을 하고 있는 켄달. 그녀는 고장난 비행기를 수리해 이곳을 떠나는 것이 목적이었고, 그렇게 매일같이 부품을 모으고 있었습니다. 켄달은 몸이 아픈 남자친구 딘과 함께 생활 중이었고,
Maybe the cap you started with was too thick?
We have time. We'll find one that fits.
오늘도 어김없이 물과 부품을 찾아 나서는 켄달.
Water. Thank you. The others? They left you here? You could rest here a while.
이 주변엔 카슨 일당이 생존자들을 찾아 죽이며 물을 독차지하고 있었죠.
You're always hunting. You stay put, they'll find you.
They're hunting in the south. It's safer to go north. Quick. Stay lucky.
이곳이 바로 카슨 일당이 머물고 있는 본거지였고, 그녀는 이곳에 필요한 부품이 있을 것이라 생각했지만 이곳에 접근하기란 결코 쉽지 않았습니다.
All that cold water. Plane lands on a bright green field, moving lightly along until it becomes blue gray sea below.
그날 밤 누군가 통신으로 도움을 청했고,
What's going on?
Someone's at the Dover farm.
You shouldn't go.
하지만 그녀의 의지는 굳건했죠.
Stay lucky.
We have no more water.
Pick up the radio and try again. Pick up the radio, or I'll have these two shot.
카슨 일당은 더 많은 사람들을 죽이기 위해 무전으로 유인하고 있었고,
They're all done in. Please. It's a trap. It's a trap.
I'm on to the next. We're finished here.
There can't be many left. If they're alive, they're consuming my water.
그녀가 이렇게 위험한 곳을 버티는 이유는 바로 비행기를 띄우는 것에 대한 희망 때문이었죠. 하지만 비행기에 알맞는 연결캡 부분을 찾기가 쉽지 않아 보였습니다.
Distributor cap didn't fit. Not like we want anything with you anyways. Just the same, maybe we'd let you come with us. You've got a good spot here. I'll grant you that. You're too small to be on your own.
I'm safer on my own.
I'm not gonna argue with you.
이 소년의 이름은 알비. 켄달과 마찬가지로 이곳에서 숨어 지내고 있었고, 그로부터 며칠 후 물이 나오던 곳마저 이제는 물이 끊겨버렸습니다.
It's not the pump, it's like the well gave out. Just isn't filling anymore.
I can reach my uncle's place in, I don't know, about 3 or 4 weeks.
Stop. I'm not going anywhere without you. I'm not gonna leave you here. I'm gonna find you.
얼마 후 난민 소용소에 들어가고 싶다며 무전을 남긴 곳이 있었고,
If it looks okay, maybe we should call him too.
켄달도 확인을 위해 그곳으로 향해 보는데요.
We're done here. The well went dry, but it's been 6 months of terror.
Just come with us. They can help Dean.
If we go north, there has to be water. You still have faith.
Guess that's one way out.
잠시 후 난민 수용소의 사람들이 나타나는데,
Thank you for responding to our call.
알고 보니 이들의 정체는 카슨 일당이었고,
Is there anybody else on this farm? You have to come clean.
Please don't.
Yeah, there's one more.
One more. Sid, daughter of mine, I believe this is going to be the very last. And I'm not going to stop till it's all ours. Your world is about to get so much better.
What could be better than this?
이곳에 포위되어 버린 켄달. 그때 이곳에 숨어있던 다른 한 명이 나타났고, 그가 대신 죽으며 켄달은 위기를 넘길 수 있었습니다.
How's the pump?
It's slow.
Did you get hurt?
Nope.
I know why our pump is failing. They're draining the aquifer. All those pumps going around the clock.
알고 보니 카슨 일당이 일대의 물을 모두 쓸어 담고 있었고
Want to visit her grave?
켄달과 딘은 죽은 딘의 여동생의 무덤으로 향하죠.
I miss her. Let's go back in.
Listen, when the time comes, you'll burn my body and go to my uncle's place.
I'm gonna get us both out of here long before you die.
딘은 아픈 자신 때문에 떠나지 못하는 켄달에게 늘 미안함을 가지고 있었죠.
I'll be right back.
오늘도 어김없이 밖으로 나서는 켄달. 카슨 일당이 켄달이 있는 곳에 있었고
Hello, the house. Whosoever killed in the trench, come forward. Confess thy sin. Step into the light.
Search it and gas it.
The attic above us.
The sun's been pounding this side of the building all day. Gas it, and we'll move on.
미리 철저하게 준비한 이들은 위기를 넘길 수 있었습니다. 그리고 얼마 후 이번엔 불황자들이 나타나는데요.
What is it?
Vagrants. Headed for us.
We've got a good store of water. You say the pump's in good shape. We've got plenty of water.
We have the water. I'll just give him a flask. Not everyone's as charitable as you.
It's long gone.
We're not gonna make it to another bar.
Oh, come on. We'll wait out the heat.
Don't kill us.
Just very thirsty. Carson hit our farm some time back.
I'm gonna pass you my flask, and when it's dry, you'll move on. You won't look back, won't come back.
So you've been visited too.
Keep moving.
Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. How many of you are there?
I'm on my own. You guys should start back on your way.
Thank you.
Carson's already killed everyone else at their farm.
We're done, aren't we? You've been giving me your water for a week. What is it?
사실 그동안 물은 계속 부족했고 켄달은 자신의 목까지 딘에게 주었던 것이었죠.
How long can we survive on the water we have?
A week. I thought you'd be gone already. I need to try the wreck outside the pumping compound gates for the missing. Just don't know how to get that close to the gates without them spotting.
결국 켄달은 카슨 일당의 본거지 쪽을 조사해야겠다 생각했고
I know how you can get close.
How did they breach the veil? You don't have been out and let them breach.
무사히 부품을 훔치는 데 성공합니다. 심지어 그토록 찾던 부품이 맞았고
What's going on?
We did it. I'll carry you the whole way if I have to. We'll have the plane prepped by daylight. Here, I'll go get water, but drink this. You can have as much as you want.
You know, if you had anyone with water to give us, they will. Very sorry about how this turned.
그 순간 딘이 나타나 켄달을 도왔고 모드를 처리하는 데 성공하지만 총소리를 듣고 카슨 일당이 이곳으로 오고 있었습니다.
They're coming, run!
No matter what, don't you ever dare.
Where are the others?
It's just me now. Our well just ran dry and we're fighting for the remaining.
Empty.
Then go check the barn.
Get out!
Put it down.
Let's move on to the next farm.
Yes.
You two go on your way.
결국 사랑하는 딘을 잃어버리고만 켄달. 그의 바람대로 그를 화장시켜줍니다. 하지만 알비는 보이지 않았고 카슨 일당의 흔적이 느껴졌죠.
Finally, a holdout. You must be the very last one. This is Carson Land.
It's just you and me now.
And Dean?
He's gonna stay behind.
그렇게 비행기가 뜨는 모습을 마지막으로 영화는 끝이 납니다.